Hi there, I'm Miss Joy and welcome to In the Bag Kids Crafts, and today crafting with me is Silas. Silas, tell everyone hi. I am so excited you're here to make a spider with me today. So we're gonna make this fun popsicle stick spider, and you can find all the supplies that you need down in the description. And Silas, tell me, why did you pick a spider? Because he likes them. I bet there are lots of you out there that like spiders too. Oh, not my favorite. I'll tell you, I like the craft spiders, but not the real ones. Well, let's go ahead and get crafting. You ready? Give me a high five. Let's go. Nice. Here are all of the items that you're going to need to make the spider craft. And as always, these are all part of the master list of craft supplies that we use for every single one of our creative projects here at In the Bag Kids Crafts. That way, once you fill your bag, you're ready to craft along. Go ahead and pause this so that you can gather all the items you need to make the spider craft with us. All right, to get started, we're gonna take our triangle and we're going to put it on our paper and trace it. So put your triangle right there, anywhere on your black paper. Take your marker. We'll get these out of the way. They're in our way. And we're gonna just go right around the outside of the triangle. And we're using black markers so that we can see what we're doing on our black paper. There you go, you got it. Doesn't have to be perfect because we're gonna cut it out anyway. There we go. Okay, now we have our triangle and we really don't need to cut it out all the way to the edge. So we're gonna draw little lines just right inside the triangle. I know this is really hard to see. So let's see. There's the line, and then we're drawing a tiny little line right inside it. Okay, can you see what I'm doing there, Silas? So it's black on black, so it's hard to see, but we're really just making a triangle that's a little bit smaller than the one that we drew. If we make it as big as the one we drew, sometimes it sticks out over the edge. And this way, it'll kind of like stick inside. If we make it too small, then we won't have anything to attach to our frame later. So we want to make sure that it's just a little bit. All right, let's go ahead and cut our triangle out that we drew right on those black lines. And they are really hard to see. There we go. Nice job. And it doesn't really matter if it's not perfect because we're not going to even see the edges of our triangle because we are going to glue it underneath our triangle frame. So before we got started today, I had glued together triangle popsicle stick frames, and I just always keep them in my craft bag. But if you didn't have any glue together, you can just take a little Elmer's glue and put it in each corner and make a triangle out of some large popsicle sticks. And if you really don't have time to wait for your glue to dry, you can use glue dots in the corners and they will stick just fine too. You'll just press them down. So there's our triangle frame and it is already ready to go, so we didn't have to wait for the glue to dry. All right, let's get this paper out of our way. And all we're gonna do is take our glue stick and rub it all over our popsicle sticks. Rub, rub, rub all over our popsicle sticks. There we go. Yep, turn it up there. Ours are purple so you can see where it's going, but it's gonna dry clear. And then we'll press our little triangle right down on top of the popsicle sticks. Press, press, press. I like that you're using lots of glue, Silas. That is exactly what you want to do because you want to make sure that your paper sticks. And yes, we are going to get a little glue on our fingers, but it will wash off. It doesn't always feel good, but it washes right off. Okay. What a nice job. We're going to move out here in the middle so everyone can see what a great job you're doing. Nice work. All right, let's flip her over. Flip that spider over. And it does look a little funny because now we have the frame and the black inside. So we need to make the outside black too. We're not gonna get out paint today because it's kind of messy. And if we're working, you know, just by ourselves, sometimes it's nice not to get the paint out. So we're gonna take our black marker and we're just gonna color our frame. Just scribble, scribble, scribble all over it. So we used markers for ours, but like I said, you can go ahead and pull out the paints or use a paint stick or even crayons to color your popsicle stick triangle frame. Right now that our spider body is all finished, he needs a few things, right? So we're gonna give him some eyes next, and we're gonna use a whole bunch of eyes. And these ones have their own stickiness in the back, but if yours don't have stickiness, you're gonna put little dots of Elmer's glue where you want eyes. So for these ones, and they can be all different shapes and sizes, you'll see ours are all different sizes and shapes. They have little sticky things on the back. So this is a little bit challenging to pull all those little papers off the back. So if you need help, just give a yell, or like I said, pull out the glue. Okay, it's even hard for me to get them off the back. There we go. So we're gonna put them wherever we want to, right? There's one. Think. Is that enough eyes on mine? Do you like how many eyes are on yours? Do you want any more eyes? Happy with that? Okay. All right. So now our spider has all of his eyes. He's gonna need some more he's gonna need his legs, right? And spiders have how many legs, Silas? Do you know how many legs they have? Oh, most bugs do have 6, but spiders are extra special and they have 8. So we're gonna give him 8 legs. And I have found that the size is about, if we cut the pipe cleaners in 3 pieces, that's about a good size for the legs. So we're gonna give our little pipe cleaners just a snip and snip. And if you wanna have these pre-snipped, you can do that too. If you feel like this is a job for a grown-up. Okay, I'm gonna give you your pipe cleaners here, buddy. I'll trade you. There's a black pipe cleaner. And you're just gonna fold a little piece down and fold a little piece. It's kind of like in 3 pieces. You can fold it in half too, that's fine. And then we're just gonna cut it in half, right? So Silas's legs are gonna be a little bit longer because he's cutting his in half, which I think is a great idea. So, yep, right where it's folded. Let's cut right there on that loop. So ready, we're gonna put our scissors right through the loop and give it a squeeze. Give it a real big hard squeeze. Come on, there you go. Look at that. Now it's in 2 pieces. So do that a couple more times. He needs 8 legs all together. So let's see, I have 6 so far, so I need a couple more legs for my guy. There we go. Okay, put it out here. Show them how we snip it. Snip it. Yeah, sometimes that happens where it like goes sideways. I'll tell you what, I'll hold, you cut. That way we have a friend helping us. There we go. Ready? Put it right through. Give it a squeeze. Squeeze hard. Squeeze hard. Come on, man. You got it. You got it. It does not want to cut, does it? It doesn't like that spot. We might need grown-up scissors for this. You ready? So if it's not cutting, just get a grown-up to help you with bigger scissors. Do you want to try my grown-up scissors? Yeah, I think that might be a good idea. All right on the loop. Here, I'll hold it for you. Ready? You're gonna hold the loop, you're gonna put it through, give it a squeeze. Squeeze hard. Nice. Last time. Fold it in half. Then we have our loop. Okay, I'm gonna hold the loop for you. Put it in, give it a squeeze. Nice. All right, so this last part is real easy. We're gonna turn our spider over, and you're gonna be careful if you glued your eyes on, okay? So just turn them over. If the eyes move a little, we can fix them when we're done. And what we need next is our tape. Go ahead and grab your tape, Silas. You have some of your own over there. And we are just gonna tape our legs in place. So he has 8 legs. That means he needs 4 on each side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now you can just start putting tape over top of them once you have them where you want them. There you go. press that tape down. Press it right in the middle. There we go, so all the legs stick. Now if we have any, we can always just fold them like that so they're not sticking over the edge. All right, let's see what they look like. Turn them over, let's see. That's okay, we can always add extra glue, we can always add extra tape. So that's the nice thing about crafts is, look at this. Look at all those cool legs and the eyes. Oh, I like it, it looks so fun. Thank you so much for making a spider with us today here at In the Bag Kids Crafts. Silas, let's show them the cool spiders that we made. Ah, yeah, oh, they turned out so great. Now our spiders are black, but you can make yours any color that you want, and be sure to like and subscribe so that you can keep making crafts with us. Just fill your bag and craft along. All right, let's get going, man.